Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add an animation in CapCut PC. Let me just the video a little bit. Okay. So super simple. You're just going to click on the clip here, go to animation and select an in animation. For instance, you want to add in the swing bottom one, you can do that. If you want to add another animation to it, make sure you split the clip. For instance, I want to add in a combo animation in the middle, so I'm just going to split it here and here, for instance. Select the clip, go to combo, and choose the animation you want to add. For instance, like this one. You can also adjust the duration here too. And then on the last clip, I want to add in an out animation. So I'm just going to select out and I'm just going to choose like a zoom for it. And I can also adjust the duration. But you do have to split the clips to add more than one animation to your videos. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!